Jack, what happened to your Mousey? He got eaten by the Roomba, which, given the things that lately have been inside the Roomba, it's actually not a terribly bad thing, and Mousey looks actually kind of comfy, doesn't he? Poor Mousey. Jack, you keep an eye on him. He's doing a good job. Roomba's doing a good job cleaning. He's just not supposed to pick up your toys, but at least Mousey's still intact. He looks like he'll live to play another day. Good boy, Jack. You keep an eye on things. Yeah, you're in charge. You just relax and you help me figure out how to fix this. What do you think? Good thing we have more than one. We keep them busy and on duty. Roombas are the best thing for picking up cat hair and cat toys and all sorts of other things, so you just kick back and relax, Jack. Don't worry, I'll take care of it for you. Love you, Jack. Funny guy. Hang in there, Mr. Mousey. Help is on its way.